What happens when AI stops waiting? In the last 6 months, the enterprise landscape has shifted from AI as a tool to AI as an employee.
I think AI should best be understood as something like a new digital species. Now, don't take this too literally, but I predict that we'll come to see them as digital companions, new partners in the journeys of all our lives.
While 2024 was defined by chatbots that talk, 2026 is being defined by agents that act. We are witnessing the birth of the autonomous enterprise, where software doesn't just suggest solutions, it executes them. According to Next Move Strategy Consulting Analysis, the global agentic AI market is entering a phase of unprecedented hypergrowth. Valued at $8.75 billion in 2025, the market is set to climb to $12.56 billion by the end of this year. Looking further ahead, the trajectory is staggering. The industry is projected to reach a massive $324.57 billion by 2035. This represents a compounding growth rate of 43.53%, driven by a global mandate for operational autonomy and real-time reasoning. Major players are moving fast to consolidate power. Automation Anywhere recently made waves with its acquisition of Aisera, a move designed to fuse autonomous service desks with enterprise-wide process automation. On the infrastructure front, Forward Networks has launched a breakthrough, an agentic AI system built on a network digital twin.
The technology that we have created at Forward is called a digital twin of the network. It's a behaviorally accurate model of the network. It comes in the form of software that connects to all the devices in the network: switches, routers, load balancers, firewalls, physical or virtual, whether they live on-prem or in the cloud. And it collects configuration and state from these devices and builds a behaviorally accurate model of the network. It shows exactly how the network behaves and where every possible packet can go in the network and why.
By using a mathematically accurate model of the network, agents can now pre-test security changes in a virtual environment before deployment, virtually eliminating the risk of human error in complex cloud architectures. Growth is accelerating globally, but Europe and the Middle East are emerging as critical pioneers. As agentic AI becomes a top CIO priority in these regions, local initiatives are focusing on solving the industry's biggest bottleneck: governance. By integrating human-in-the-loop checkpoints and localized data sovereignty protocols, European firms are setting the gold standard for responsible autonomy. This regional focus is transforming agents from experimental pilots into mission-critical infrastructure for the banking and manufacturing sectors. As we look toward the 2035 horizon, the implications of a $324 billion market transcend mere efficiency. We are moving toward a liquid enterprise, where organizational structures are no longer rigid, but are dynamically reconfigured by AI agents in real time. While the automation of routine tasks is the immediate win, the long-term value lies in strategic reinvention. By 2035, experts predict that agentic AI will not just be an assistant, but a primary driver of global GDP, potentially adding $15 trillion to the global economy. For the workforce, the bottleneck will shift from learning how to do the work to learning how to lead the agents. The question is no longer if your industry will be autonomous, but how quickly you can architect the human-centric guardrails to lead it. The roadmap to this autonomous future is complex, and the data is evolving daily. To navigate the shifts in competition, technology, and regional policy, you need the definitive intelligence. Read the full, comprehensive analysis at Next Move Strategy Consulting. The link is in the description below.